Good morning. Today is Utopia Day. We are going on a girls trip. Do you guys see my shirt? It says girls trip, but it really should say auntie trip. I'm going on a cruise with my aunts. Say hi, aunties.
Hey.
We're going to Utopia of the Seas. This is the first day of Utopia of the Seas. We are the first people to ever be on the ship, like first paid passengers. So it is going to be crazy this weekend. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna have a ball. But anyway, right now, way to Cape Canaveral. Why do I say it wrong? It's like 55 minutes away. We left from downtown Orlando, so it's gonna be a bit of a drive, but yeah, I'm really excited for this vacation. Guys, we are here and she looks good. She looks kind of busy though.
It's 2,300 crew.
I know, but he Royal with all the slides and stuff.
It looks busy on the app. I'm like, oh God, hope it's not a million.
I feel like it's like Disney on a ship.
Oh God.
So imagine Icon. Icon is worse.
Icon is it's like
We are trying to get there before my other aunties. We have to make it before they make it. They're talking about they have a pull-up zone. No.
Pull-up song.
Oh, a pull-up song. Oh, we're good. What's your
pull-up song on?
What's that pull-up song?
Our pull-up song is
Living on a Prayer.
No, in the club.
In the club?
What 50 Cent?
No.
Okay, what you
want to put her here in the car?
Yeah!
What's the name of the song?
They Not Like Us.
Not like us.
Not like us.
They not like us.
They not like us. They not like us. I'm very done.
They not like us.
They not like us. They not like us. One thing about Royal Caribbean is they require you to print out something to put it on your suitcase, and I did not do that. So if you are coming, make sure that you read the directions and print the stuff out, because don't be like me. But my aunties got me. That's why you got an auntie trip. Yeah. You don't have to think.
Where y'all coming from?
Leave your brain. Hi, we are here. We are ready. We are ready for Royal Caribbean Utopia of the Seas, baby. I'm so excited. All right, so we're about to check in. Terminal 1.
Clark it.
We just went through security, so now just going up the elevator to check in, I guess. Yeah, to check it out. Adventure is just around the corner. Oh, they have a nice little like photo op with the balloons. So this is my first time in the Royal Caribbean terminal. This is really nice. Okay, it's a party, yeah. Alright, so this is like the check-in area. To show them our set sail pass. And then I guess we should have our passports or something. So make sure that you have your passports, but they will ask to see and they'll ask to scan it. I don't want to show mine, but that's what we're kind of doing here, just showing our passports, and then they're gonna scan it and verify that we are the right people. One that says Utopia.
That guy, that handsome guy. Only just for you.
Okay, we're about to take a picture here. Oh, it says Utopia of the Seas. Okay, let's put it myself away. I'm sorry.
How long ago?
Right, we're going. Oh, the Royal Railway.
Yeah.
Oh, this side is already sold out. It was sold out before we even came on. We are going through the gangway all the way to the. I guess we'll see the Royal Promenade. I don't know where this gangway leads.
Look, when you will go inside, you will go to your room when they will announce. Now it's 11 o'clock. The rooms are ready.
We're getting in. Thank you.
Welcome aboard, Coco.
Nice. Thank you. Yeah, let's go drop our stuff. Wow. I want to drop off my stuff. Oh my God, we're in the Royal Promenade. This is exciting. This is crazy. Oh my God. Royal ships are no joke. This is so the Royal Railway is booked. But they're letting us come in and take a look and get pictures of it. I'm so sad I want to experience it. I'm coming back from Utopia sometime soon. Oh, this is cute.
So platform here. Okay. The seats and everything here, the guests they can have a welcome drink. Okay. And after that we invite all the guests inside of the train. 1, 2 by 2, 4 by 4 by 4.
Yeah, I hate I'm not gonna get to see this.
Oh, wow. This is nice. This is really, really nice. Oh, wow. I think when I come back, I'm coming back next year, so I'll do it next year. It's like actually being on a train. Hey, time for the room tour. We're here in Royal Caribbean. You have an ocean view room. Oh, let me see. Oh my gosh, guys, we got gifts. We got gifts, guys. I think this is only like the first week. We got Utopia of the Sea hats. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. But yeah, this is the room. This is the bed. I think this is good enough to see like 2 people. Can sleep here. Oh my gosh, we got the entertainment program. Can't wait to check that out. Okay, let's see the rest of the room. Yes. Okay, so this is the bed. By the way, we've already been in here, so if you see stuff, that's why. There's a TV right here that you can see from the bed. And then this is the desk area, which is like really nice, really cool. This room is so spacious, guys. Like really, really spacious. I really love our cabin. There's 3 of us in here. So you have like a desk and we have some more stuff about the internet and stuff like that. And then there's a pull-out couch, which is where I'm going to be sleeping. But yeah, it just kind of, how does this work? I don't know. I'll figure out how it works. I don't know how it works. How do you work these pull-out stuff? Anyway, I'll have the stateroom attendant figure it out. But yeah, there's a pull-out couch right here. And then look, guys. This is the balcony. I just opened this out. And we have like the chairs, the little stool right there, and a table, and a view of Port Canaveral. Oh my God, that's the Wish! That is the Wish. I'm so happy to see the Wish. That's the Wish! That is the Wish! Aww. Can you see her? Let me zoom in. She's right there. I miss the Wish. Anyway, the room. And you have a bunch of like storage here. So like all of these are drawers. Hair dryers right here. And just like more drawers. It says, oh, for medical needle. And then there's another drawer. I have some stuff in here. And then this is the refrigerator. It feels pretty okay, like pretty cool. Like usually like just like, you know, regular cruise refrigerator or whatever. So that's that. And then this right here. Oh my god, I hope I brought my tripod. I don't know if I brought my tripod. This is the bag. And then these, like, we have stuff in here, but like this is the closet and stuff with some drawers at the bottom. And did I see anything on the bed? No. Okay, so just drawers at the bottom, and then some little cubby situation over here, which is good. And this is the bathroom. The bathroom is like really, really spacious. Oh my gosh, you got towels, you got that, you got the soap, like, it's nice and spacious and cute. And they really saw Breeze, which reminds me of H2O on Disney, but yeah. Nice bathroom. I miss this bathroom because they have like the bathroom and this in one, but it's definitely way more spacious than Virgin's bathroom, okay? Because the Virgin bathroom, oh my god, the Virgin bathroom is always like so super tight, but like this is very, very spacious. I'm loving it. I love this little mural thing over here. Oh my gosh, so cute. Yeah, lots and lots of space, but yeah, there's the bathroom, and then we have like a mirror over here, so that's nice too. And oh my gosh, oh my god, the more closet space. Oh my gosh, guys, there's this whole like closet space. There's this whole like closet space. This whole closet space here, so that's nice. And the pictures, and it's a nice little decent room. It's a nice little decent room. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yeah, washy. I can't look right now. Washy. And wash station, I mean washy, and then go to eat. How do I get home? Thank you. And then I just want Thank you. I think we're going to two different sides. Yeah, it's so confusing. Okay. Can I get lobster? I'm gonna get this one. Thank you. How does that work? Can we each get a tuna, please? And then I go on the other side. So then do I come back here? This is so confusing. I come back here to get shrimp. Yeah, you guys can see my crab and the lobster. It's really good. And there's ceviche as well. The line situation is a bit confusing, so definitely be patient, especially the seafood line. I mean, it's the first day, so they're figuring things out. A lot of sense. Utopia of the Seas. Wow.
Now we're gonna do it.
Let me see it. Shut the shit, but I didn't shoot the deputy. Oh yeah.
Thank you so much. Yep. So you guys got your bags right here. And look, I got you guys also. Here's
This is
Oh,
so
here. I also
cute.
got you guys. Look at the phone cases.
Oh
The
my
case
gosh,
mate.
so
Feel that?
cute. And it's like waterproof and
Yeah, it's the real deal. These
everything.
are like
No, these
guaranteed.
are real.
Yeah.
This is the good stuff. You're the goodie bag queen. You
I know,
won.
right? I love this
You
kind
won.
of
As
stuff.
Mary's the personalization, but in addition, this is cute. This is very cute. Guys, I am at the Sorrento's. I just got a drink from Esquibara. It's like a watermelon type of drink. It tastes so good. Hi. Can I get a pepperoni? Anything else, ma'am? That's it. Oh, cheese and a cheese. I will be trying Sorrento's pizza. Hopefully it's as good as everyone's like, Sorrento's pizza. Let's see. I'm gonna take it back to my room because I'm hungry. Guys, thank you. No. I know this is the first ship, by the way, my outfit. I know this is the first cruise, so I'm trying to be very, very patient. However, so like dinner in the Windjammer ended at like 9:30, and everything else that after 9:30, like for dinner, is literally closed. Like there was like Cafe Promenade, which has like salads. There's like tapas place that wasn't even really tapas. It was literally like little, I don't even know how to explain it, like cheese and stuff, but not like it was nothing. So basically I need like significant food. If you want it after 9:30 or 9 o'clock, you either go to like a paid restaurant like Chops, Izumi, stuff like that, but you can't get it like at the Windjammer and all those other places. So now I'm gonna go, like literally gonna go to the room, do room service, then bring it out to eat with my aunties because we're hungry. And it's just like we've been trying to find food for like a couple of minutes. So I feel like that's just the thing. So hopefully they change that because like how is it the world's biggest weekend and then dinner is over at 9? It's giving world's biggest retirement home. Anyway, look at my outfits.